Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video we will be discussing that how we can host the application which we had made in the last tutorial of this series, which was the Flask API tutorial, and we had made the Todos List application. We will be hosting that application for free in this video. So if you want to host the application, then just keep watching this video, and we will be discussing more on this topic after this short intro. So to get started, first of all, I will be opening my website where I have written a blog post which states the hosting of that application. So we had made two independent websites, which was the first one was the API, which was a Python Flask based application, and the second one was the front-end website, which was made using HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Bootstrap. So they were two independent websites, and we had connected the front-end website to the API using JavaScript. So we would be hosting both the applications in two different ways. We would be hosting our Flask application on Heroku for free, and we would be hosting the front-end application on GitHub for free. So here, as you can see, here I have written this post, how to host the Flask API Todos List project. So I will open this project. So first of all, to get started, first we need to create some changes in our folder structure which we had made. So what I will do is that I will just go to that folder where I have made. So this was the folder, and inside my backend folder, what I had done is that I had created one routes folder. If I show you, I had created one routes folder, and inside that I had one route todo.py. If you haven't seen this video, then you can go to this link and watch this video, and the notes are also uploaded here. Half of the notes are uploaded till yet, and I would be uploading the rest of the notes very soon. I have uploaded till the API. So we had created a routes folder, and inside that we were creating our routes, and we were importing the initialized app and database by using from __ main import. So that worked in our local host, but it won't work in our production website. So to do that, what we need to do is that if I just download the code here, first of all I will download it, and here I can download this zip file. I will click on this download folder, and it will download the zip file. As you can see, it has started downloading the zip file, and I will go back to the post. So let me open my downloads folder. Here it has already come, so it's downloaded. Now I will extract it to downloads, and it will extract my code. So as you can see, it has extracted to the code folder, and here I have two folders, the backend and frontend. If I go to backend, then you can see that there is a routes folder inside which a todo.py is there, and what this todo.py was doing is that it was importing the app and db from app.py. So we will just change the folder structure a bit. What I will do is that I will open this in my Sublime text editor. So I will write here cmd, and here I will use subl dot, which will open this folder in my Sublime text editor. So as you can see, it has opened. I will close this, and I will do it like this. And if I open my app.py, then as you can see, it was a very little file, and it was importing routes.todo from this routes folder. If I open this todo.py, then as you can see, it was importing app and db from __ main. So what we will do is that, first of all, we will just delete this routes folder first, because we will be keeping all our files in this app.py file, and we will copy the code which I have given here, which is the total code. I have removed the import statement from here, which was the import routes.todo, and I have written all the code which was there in the todos.py and imported all the packages correctly. I will copy this. I will do here Ctrl A. I will remove all this code and paste this code. So it is my app now which is working, and all my logic of my API is stored in this one file, which is app.py. So I will save it now, and I will close my Sublime text editor. Now what I will do is that I will start hosting. So first I will host my API. So my API is a Flask application which I am going to host on Heroku. For that I have already written a post which states that how I can host the application on Heroku. So for that this is the post, how to host your application website for free with SSL certificate using Heroku. So first of all, what I will do is that I will open my terminal in this folder. I have opened my Sublime, my CMD, but I will open it in my Windows terminal by now CD here. I will just increase the font size a bit. And now what I will do, first of all, I will log in into my Heroku account, and I will also keep it open in Sublime Text like this. So first of all, it will log in me into my Heroku account. After that, what I will need to do is that I need to install Unicorn and get my requirements.txt file and create a proc file. So let me quickly create a proc file. I will I click on the wrong button, and here I will go to new file and I will save it. I will save it with the name of proc file. Is it the correct folder? I think so. Code, backend, and where is it created? Is it created? I think I did something wrong. I need to visit this, not this thing, and here it's not created, but it's created here. So I will remove here, and I will also remove it from here. I will save it. Okay, so I again did the mistake. I will just delete it, and what I will do is that I will do here Control N, and I will save it in downloads, code, then backend. Why is it not moving? I think it's backend, and here I will save it with the name proc file. And now what I will write here is that I will write here pip unicorn app. So this is the proc file for Heroku, and I will enter here to open my browser and log in into Heroku. So it will now open this link in my browser. As you can see, I will click on this login button and I will log in into my account. So I will just type my credentials here, and I will just log in and come back. So now as you can see here, I have logged in into my Heroku account and my proc file is also ready. I will go back to the post and I will install Unicorn by copying this command and pasting it here, and it will install the Unicorn package. Okay, so there is some problem actually. If I do ls here, then I will first of all create my virtual environment, which would help me with the name env, and it would create a new virtual environment. And I will also create a .gitignore file here, .gitignore, which will store env. So it will not add my env to my Git repository. So now what I will do is that I will open my terminal, and here my virtual environment is ready. I will activate it and install my packages. Pip install flask SQL alchemy, flask cos, unicorn, and is anything else required? No, that's not it. So it will install now, and after installing I will create my requirements.txt file, which would store all my requirements for this project. So it is installing Flask SQL Alchemy. It is installing from cache because I have installed already these things many a times in this operating system or this user account. So I will wait for it to install all my packages. So now as you can see, all my packages have been installed, and I will just test once. That is my python app.py file running. So it is running successfully. I will close it, and now what I will do is that I will create my requirements.txt file by using the pip freeze command like this, and it will create my requirements.txt file. If I do ls here, then as you can see, the requirements.txt file has been created, which contains all my requirements. Now I will go back to the post Now I will initialize my Git repository. I will do git init, then I will do git add dot, then I will do git commit -m initial commit, because this is my first commit and I have been committed. Now I will create a new Heroku project or a Heroku app. So I will write here Heroku create. I can create something like API tch todos. So this will be the name of my application. It will create this application, and I hope that this name is present, because I have used the tch keyword, and I don't think that anyone else have created a project with this name. So it is creating my project. Yeah, so it's available, so it has created. Now I will execute the last command, which is git push Heroku master, and my API would be hosted on this URL successfully. If I go to this URL now, then you will see that it is showing me Heroku, welcome to your new app. If I go here, then it is still pushing, and how I will check that it's working, I will go to the fetch to do's API/fetch to do's route. I will copy this, and it's compressing and it's almost done. So I will wait for it to finish. So it's deployed, and it will just make some changes and finish the deployment. I will be ready by putting this here. I've pasted it and it's done. So if I go to this fetch to do's, then as you can see here I have been returned with this empty JSON. As you can see, this is the empty JSON, because no to do's are found. So I will just reset it, and my API has been hosted successfully. Now what I will do is that I will go to my terminal and I will subl /frontend. So I will open this in my Sublime text editor. I will open all the JS files, and wherever I am using this HTTP URL, I will be using now this the deployed thing here. So this thing I will use. So it was fetching the data, and my API was present in this URL at the time of development, but now it's present in this URL. So I will change the URL everywhere wherever I am using it. I will save it. In delete to do I am not using, fetch to do's I am using, save, and nowhere else, and update to do also I am not using. So I will just save them, and now every operation which would be done, it would be done with my hosted API. So what I will do, if I just do /index /frontend/index.html, and as you can see, so it is now telling what to do's to display. If I go to add to do and add a to do, suppose sample title and sample description, if I submit it, then as you can see, it is telling added successfully. And now if I reload this page, then as you can see, one to do has been added. So I don't have my JSON formatter installed here, so that's why it is showing like this, but it's a JSON response, as you can see. So I can just see this. I can also fetch it by using the specific to do route, specific to do / the SNO, which is 14. If I go here, then as you can see, it's the same response. So now it's working with my production API, and now what I need to do is that I need to host this front-end application on GitHub. So to do that, I will first of all go to github.com. So it will take me to github.com, and I will sign in here first. If you don't have an account, then you need to sign up, but I will sign in because I have an account. So I will sign in, and as you can see, it has signed me up to my GitHub account. And here I will quickly create a new repository with the name Todos List Project, like this, and the description may be hosting of the front-end application of the Todos List project created in the last video of this series, like this. And I will make it to public. You should note that you make it public, otherwise it won't work, because we need to host it. on GitHub pages. So it has created my repository, and now what I will do is that I will deactivate. First of all, I will do cd /frontend, and I will first clear this, and if I do ls, then as you can see, these are the files which are present. What I need to do is that I need to now create a git repository in this folder and connect it with the GitHub. So I will do git init and git commit -m initial. I think it would be stores here, so this one. Okay, so first I will need to do git add dot, then git commit -m initial commit, and then I need to do git remote add origin with this origin, which is this SSH HTTPS URL. I will paste it here. And now if I do git push Heroku, not Heroku master, this time it's origin master, then it will push this git repository into this GitHub repository. If I reload it, it's not pushed yet, so it will take some time to push, and I will be back when it completes pushing all my files. So as you can see, it's done. So if I reload it here, then all my files would be present, so like this. Now what I need to do is that I need to go to settings, and I need to go to pages, and here I need to select the source as master and save it. And just by doing this, my website will be published here very soon. I have also written a post on how to host this website on GitHub, so you can also visit that. Here I have given the URL, not this, so this is it. This is the here I have written everything, how to step by step by all screenshots. So this is also a video is there in my tech videos playlist. If I reload it, then as you can see, my application has been hosted. It's working. It is showing one to do which is present, the sample to do. If I edit it, if I change it to sample description, if I submit, then as you can see, it's showing success to do has been updated successfully. If I reload it, then it has updated. If I go to add to do, and here if I change sample submit, to do has been added. If I go to home, it is taking here and it's added. I can delete it. So my application has been hosted successfully, my API has been hosted, my front-end application has been hosted. So if you do location.reload after each CRUD operation, then it will get automatically reloaded. So that's a minor one. You can fix it if you want to. So this is the URL. I would be deleting this URL after some time, but I will keep this for some time, and this URL will also be given in the description. This is the application which I have hosted. You can follow this post step by step, which is a very short post because I had already written on this hostings 2 posts. So the notes of this video is going to be uploaded in this learn in one video series, and if you haven't visited yet, then you need to visit this page. In this this is a 2-hour tutorial where we have created our application which we have hosted now. So I will just stop it, and these are the notes. So this is what we needed to discuss in this video. I hope that this video has helped you. So if you haven't subscribed yet, then you can consider subscribing our YouTube channel, which is the Coding Hub. Let me just show you quickly. I will go to youtube.com, and here I will quickly search for the Coding Hub, and it will open. So this is the channel. Till now it's only 40 subscribers, so if you haven't subscribed yet, then I request you to subscribe our channel. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you next time.